Okay. So good morning, students. So yesterday we are discussing phenol preparation. ఎవరన్నా క్లాస్ రాసుకుని వాళ్ళు ఉంటే నిన్న జరిగిన క్లాస్ మొన్న పినకాలు ఇవన్నీ కూడా యూట్యూబ్ లో పెట్టాను, తెలుసు కదా. కృష్ణయ్య కెమిస్ట్రీ ఐఐటి జేఈ క్లాసెస్ అని ఉంటుంది. సో ఆ యూట్యూబ్ లో ఉన్నాయి, మీరు చూసుకోవచ్చు. మీ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ దాంట్లో కూడా మన గ్రూప్ లో కూడా పోస్ట్ చేసాం. ఎవరికన్నా రాసుకోలేదంటే మీరు మళ్ళీ దాన్ని చూసుకొని కూడా ఏమైనా కరెక్షన్స్ ఉన్నా కూడా చేసుకోండి. రైట్ నౌ నెక్స్ట్. సో ఇలా ప్రిపరేషన్ రాసిన తర్వాత ప్రాపర్టీస్ లో మెయిన్ గా క్లీవేజ్, ఇయర్, acidic nature first. So acidic nature of phenol. Phenols also acidic nature. Okay. Here phenol we can write like this. If H plus ion released, that forms as what? O minus, and here H plus. Okay. So due to release of H plus, this is considered as acid. Acid, you know. If this is stable, here more acidic. The acidic nature of phenol depends on stability of phenoxide. This is more stable, here H plus releases more acidic. You know, here this is called as acid dissociation constant, Ka. What is the relation? Ka equal to what? Phenoxide anion concentration into H plus ion concentration by phenol concentration. You know, first year lo equilibrium, ionic equilibrium రాసుకొని ఉంటారు, నేను అదే రాసేది. మరి what is the relation between H plus and Ka? Directly proportional. More H plus ions are there, more acidic. More H plus ion means Ka value more. That's why here acidic nature is directly proportional to Ka value. So wherever acidic nature more, Ka value also more. Remember, Ka value more. And you know, relation between Ka and pKa, minus log of K is nothing but what? pKa, pH scale. Or I can write log 1 by K is equal to what? Here pKa. Instead of minus, I am writing 1 by K. Reverse now. Reverse rate. That's why here acidic nature directly proportional Ka value inversely proportional to pK value. pK value more, acidic nature less. pK value less, acidic nature more. Like this here, this is theory, theoretical part. What is the meaning of acid? How will I express? But certain groups are there. Those groups increase the acidic nature. Which group increase? Tell me. The group which increase the stability of phenoxide. You know, electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing means what here? Minus I group, minus Me groups. These are their stability of phenoxide increased. ఇక్కడ PHO మైనస్ స్టెబిలిటీ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది విత్డ్రాయింగ్ ఉంటే. మరి అదే విధంగా డోనార్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. డోనార్ మీన్స్ వాట్? ప్లస్ I గ్రూప్ ప్లస్ Me గ్రూప్. డోనార్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. Stability of phenoxide ion decrease. So whatever group increase the stability, such groups are there acidic nature more. Then here minus I groups are there, minus Me groups are there. Here acidic nature of phenol increased. Here plus I groups are there, plus Me groups. Me ante what? Mesomeric affecting group. Then acidic nature of phenols, acidic nature of phenol decreased. So based on inductive effect and mesomeric effect, we'll explain whether increase or decrease. Okay na? Like this there. Now example, Here phenol is there. Here methyl group is a cresol is there. Cresol. Here para nitro group is there. Para methoxy group is there. Para chloro group is there. Among these five, which is more acidic? 5 are given. 5 phenol derivatives are there. Then tell me answer. Which is more acidic? What about the acidic order? This is a donor. Donor here withdrawing. Donor withdrawing. So I told you withdrawing groups are there. Withdrawing groups are there. Acidic nature more. That's why NO2 and chlorine containing phenols are more acidic. Acidic. Okay. So here para-nitrophenol is more acidic than para-chlorophenol. Para-chlorophenol is more acidic than phenol. These two are donors na. And here CH3, OCH3. OCH3 strong donor means less acidic. Strong donor, less acidic. OCH3 is there. Strong donor, less acidic. Less acidic. Less acidic. So based on this here we can write answer here among these which is more acidic. Here para-nitro, para-chloro, phenol like this. This is acidic order. What about the K order? K order. K order. More acidic one, more Ka. So this is the same. Which one here? 3, then 5, then 1, then 2, then 3. What about the pK order? Reverse. 3 value more, then 2, then 1, then 5, then 3. 3 2 times వచ్చింది. 3 is more acidic. 4 here. So like this here you can write your answer. Okay na? Here acidic nature we can explain. Everything will explain. Now next example. కరెక్ట్ గా మన స్క్రీన్ పెద్దది ఇటు ఇటు లైట్ వస్తుంది. దీన్ని ఓకేనా నాన్న? సో నెక్స్ట్ ఆన్సర్ here OH group Phenol. Here cresol, metacresol, paracresol. Then what is our answer? Cresols are there. Cresol is there. Cresol. Then answer. Which is more acidic? Here donor. This is also donor. Here donor. The donor at ortho para less acidic. Donor at ortho para less acidic. That's why meta more acidic among these three. So acidic order first here without substitution. First here phenol is more acidic. After phenol, then metacresol, then paracresol. Acidic order chala important here number of times entrance question on phenol system. Acidic order here orthocresol. This is the acidic order. K order also same, pK order reverse. Donors are there, we can write acidic order. Okay, if withdrawing groups also there, we can write acidic order. Now, phenol system, orthonitrophenol, here metanitrophenol, here paranitrophenol, phenol, orthonitro, metanitro, paranitrophenol. Okay, na? Tell me answer. So withdrawing, here all are withdrawing. So more important, which one? Ortho important, but due to small attraction, ortho is less acidic than para. Actually, we'll expect ortho more acidic, but answer here para. In ortho, in between OH and NO2, small attraction. That's why here acidic order. What is our answer now? First, paranitrophenol more acidic than ortho. Generally, we'll expect ortho more acidic. Generally, we'll expect ortho, but answer is para more. Then metanitro, then phenol. So like this, withdrawing donors are there. Comparison easily we can write. Okay, na? Then our answer. Next example. Here phenol is there. Here paranitrophenol. Next dinitrophenol. Next trinitrophenol. I have given very clearly. Trinitrophenol name is what? Picric acid. I told you this is more acidic than formic acid. Generally phenols are less acidic. 3 are there. So now what about the acidic order? Number of withdrawing groups are increase. Acidic order also increase. Withdrawing number more, acidic nature number more. Here 3 withdrawing, here 2 withdrawing, here 1. That's why first one here picric acid is more acidic. Here picric acid is more acidic. Next one dinitrophenol. dinitrophenol. Next year, nitrophenol. Next year, phenol. So like this you can write acidic order, Nana. It's acidic order. Okay, na? Okay, acidic order. So easily we can write acidic order. That is acidic order. Now reaction due to H plus ion will take. Here reactions due to H plus ion. Not only acidic order. Phenol is acidic nature, na? Phenol acidic nature means what? Due to acidic nature, what are the properties are there? We'll check. Okay. Right. Acidic nature. So acidic nature means reaction with the base. Here phenol, different base. Reaction with Na. This is basic fundamental reaction. Very important. NaH. Reaction with NaNH2. Reaction with NaOH. Reaction with sodium bicarbonate. Reaction with RMGX. Okay, na? Different cases. Now tell me answer. Here this is a base, here acidic hydrogen. Here what is there? Here acidic hydrogen is there. Acidic hydrogen. Then answer. Here release of H plus, here Na reaction. Will get sodium salt and half mole of hydrogen. And many times question, which of the following releases H plus ion with sodium metal? They will ask question. With sodium metal, which one releases? Here phenol system releases H plus ion. Okay, na? Next case. Here also answer pH ONA, here hydrogen. Question. Which one of the following react with NaH gives hydrogen? Like that they will ask. Phenol also gives. Now NaNH2 also reaction. These all are bases. Here ammonia gas. NaOH reaction. Salt plus water. Here no reaction, Nana. Why? Reason, if reaction is there, we'll get carbonic acid. Okay, but here carbonic acid is more acidic than phenol. Statement here, if here releases, we'll get carbonic acid, but this is not formed. Reason, strong acid can release weak acid. Strong acid can release weak acid, but weak acid is unable to release strong acid. Means phenol is weak carbonic acid more. That's phenol unable to release carbonic acid. That's why no reaction with bicarbonate. Remember, very important question. This is a conceptual, not related to one lesson. This is all. Acidic basic nature belongs to all. Remember, so many times sentence question, many times. Now Grignard reagent, you know, R minus and H plus, formation of RH, remaining salt formation. Any Grignard reagent with this, simply your H plus reacts with R, will get alkane. Reaction with the K also, salt formation, release of hydrogen. Like this, bases are given, directly write reaction with those. Okay, na? Right? Next, same reaction due to acidic nature. Alkylation. Alkylation means reaction with alkyl halide, like Williamson synthesis only here. Whenever methyl halide by base. Okay, na? Next one, here dimethyl sulfate by base. Next one, here diazomethane by Lewis acid. Tell me, Nana, here acidic hydrogen is there, here reaction X group substituted, nucleophilic substitution. Then what happened here? Reaction, formation of anisole, methoxybenzene, Nana, anisole preparation, Williamson synthesis, very important reaction. Dimethyl sulfate also same. Here like methyl group, here also methyl, same methyl. There also what is our answer? Anisole. Diazomethane also insertion, CH2N2, N2 plus best leaving group, insertion, there also what? Anisole. Here diazomethane means like this here plus here minus, here good leaving group. Okay, now this inserted here, then anisole. So this is a reaction alkylation. Next one, acylation. Acylation. Again, Nana. Reaction with the acyl chloride or reaction with anhydride. Both give same answer. Now here phenol system is given. Phenol system reaction with here like this acid chloride. Substitution reaction, Cl plus removed. Here PHO minus involves here substitution. Then here attack. Here benzene ring. Okay, na here O COR group. Okay, like this ester is there. Formation of ester. Nucleophilic substitution. Example here phenol system reaction with acyl chloride or acetic anhydride. What happened here? This is the leaving group. Here is this is the leaving group. So anything is given. What is our answer? C. COCH3. This is ester group. Here phenyl branch. The name phenyl acetate. Here main chain. This is only main chain. Phenyl acetate. This is only main chain. Phenyl acetate. Main chain is there. Main chain important. Okay, now. So reaction with the benzyl chloride. COCl is there. Here Cl group released. Then we'll get class. Here Cl. Then what is our answer now? Here also ester group. Here O. Here COPH. This is the acid, benzoic acid, benzoate. Here phenyl branch. This is the branch. That's why name phenyl benzoate. Okay, na phenyl benzoate. Like this. Acyl chloride reaction with acylation. Next one. Here whenever reaction with the benzyl chloride, benzylation. This benzylation is called as Scharton-Baumann reaction. Benzylation is called as Scharton-Baumann reaction. Benzylation, phenol. Name of the reaction, Scharton-Baumann. Main condition, acidic nature. Okay, now. So acylation, benzylation, like these different cases you can write. These are the properties due to acidic nature. Acidic nature properties. Next one, reaction due to OH. Here, cleavage is a difficult. Reason why that is a difficult. Whenever phenol is there, here lone pair, here double bond like this. These are in conjugation. We can write resonating structure, conjugation. Then what happened here? Double bond here OH plus, here minus charge here. In between carbon oxygen, what happened? Double bond character developed. Double bond character is there. Double bond character developed. Double bond is there. Difficult to cleave. This required more energy. That more energy is not available at room temperature. That's why phenolic OH is not readily involved in the reaction. For example, whenever phenol plus reaction with HX, no reaction. Phenol reaction with PX3, here don't write reactions. Difficult to cleave. So difficult to cleave. So phenol not involved. Next case here, due to aromatic ring. Properties due to aromatic ring. Here this is the aromatic ring. Okay, na. So due to aromatic ring properties are there. My aromatic ring means we'll expect what? Aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Aromatic electrophilic. You know, general reaction, nitration, halogenation, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Okay, na? Under special reactions also there will see. Okay, here nitration, halogenation, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation, special aromatic electrophilic substitution. Special aromatic electrophilic substitution. Here main Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Kolbe-base reaction. Kolbe-base reaction. Schmidt reaction. Gutterman aldehyde synthesis. Here Auben-Aussich reaction. Like this, different electrophilic substitutions are there. We'll discuss all these things. So important things are there. Main first aromatic electrophilic nitration, these all. Generally phenol system is there. Phenol, where we'll write electrophile. This is called as ortho position, meta position, para, here meta, here ortho. These are there. 5 centers are available. 3 types, ortho, meta, para. 3 type positions are available. But electrophile attacks at ortho and para readily. That's why we are saying OH is called as ortho para director. OP director means whenever OH is there, electrophile attacks at ortho or para. It's the meaning of OP director. Okay, na? OP director. First, here phenol is given. Reaction with dilute HNO3. Then you will get here orthonitrophenol plus paranitrophenol. Two products you will get. Two products are there and both are having molecular weight same, but boiling points are different, Nana. These here why? Because here intramolecular hydrogen bond, here intramolecular hydrogen bond, here intermolecular hydrogen bond. I have given very clearly intermolecular boiling point more, intramolecular boiling point less. That's why these two are separated by fractional distillation. So these two are separated by fractional distillation, remember. Similar way, here Br2 by base, what is it? Br2 by water or Br2 by acetic acid, you can take bromination. Then what happened? Where will attack electrophile? These all mechanisms are with you. First year lesson. Again I am writing reaction. Tell me, Br attacks at which position? Ortho para. But here more important, whenever phenol system is given, the electrophile readily attacks at 3 position. Tribromophenol, Nana. Tribromophenol is there. And this is white color compound, white color, brown color, bromine color, brown color. Whenever treated with phenol, the color change. That's why bromination reaction used as qualitative test. To identify the phenol system is an important test. Now, here we are thinking orthopara, but we are getting tribromo. So to avoid this, here we'll take bromine by carbon disulfide. Bromine by carbon disulfide. Okay, now. Then answer. Here carbon disulfide is or non-polar. Dipole moment 0. That's why non-polar. This avoid the ionization. Here ionization is less. Then selectivity is more. Then you will get here parabromophenol plus orthobromophenol. Parabromophenol and ortho. So here parabromo is a maximum product is a parabromo. Okay, na? Here protic solvent, water or acid is protic, means H plus ion released. Whenever protic is there, ionization more. Here ionization more. That's why electrophile Br is strong electrophile, Nana. That's why that attacks at all position available, 3 position, but carbon disulfide aprotic, that decrease the ionization, less number of electrophile formed, selectivity important, ortho para. So your maximum product is para. Why? Because para is bulky. Whenever at ortho, repulsions are there. Okay, na? Right. Now reaction with sulfuric acid, that is called as sulfonation. Sulfonation at about 100 degrees centigrade. Here also sulfonation means which group, Nana? SO3H. SO3H readily attacks at a para than ortho. Here more important which one here? Para is more important. Sulfonation, just I am writing electrophiles, that's all. Phenol at ortho para, we are writing electrophile at ortho para. So here para is more important than ortho. More important para only, remember. Sulfonation, next Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation Rx by AlCl3. Friedel-Crafts acylation, okay na, AlCl3. But here no reaction. No Friedel-Crafts alkylation, acylation. Reason here, whenever phenol treated with alkyl halide by AlCl3, here AlCl3 considered as what? Lewis acid, nana. So Lewis acid is there here, lone pair, Lewis base. Here phenol and AlCl3 form salt. Here OH, AlCl3. What is the use of actual AlCl3? If AlCl3 free, that forms electrophile from Rx. AlCl3 free, that forms Rx. But instead of formation of electrophile, AlCl3 forms what here? Salt. Salt. That's why here form here Friedel-Crafts alkylation acylation only weak. Weak. And AlCl3 is not available means formation difficult. That's why with phenol, remember with phenol, Friedel-Crafts alkylation acylation don't write. Okay, then alternate reactions are there. Alternate reactions are there. These are the electrophilic substitution reactions. Now, more important reaction is there. Riemer-Tiemann, special type of electrophilic substitution. EAS, aromatic electrophilic substitution, Nana, special. So the name of the reaction, Riemer-Tiemann reaction. For mains and NEET directly they are asking name of the reaction, product. For advanced purpose they are asking mechanism. One time complete passage question on Riemer-Tiemann. Matrix, so many times matrix question. Number of times mains and NEET. Riemer-Tiemann reaction is very famous reaction, very important reaction also for us. Okay na? So first, what is the reaction actually here? Here phenols are there. Phenol treated with whom? Here chloroform by base NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Phenol treated with chloroform NaOH. Then you will get main product is orthohydroxybenzaldehyde and para, electrophilic only. These all reactions are electrophilic only. Here at ortho para, this is orthohydroxybenzaldehyde, common name Nana, salicylic acid. Here aldehyde, salicylaldehyde. Here this is a para-hydroxy benzaldehyde. So here maximum product is what? Here salicylaldehyde. Maximum product in between O and CHO intramolecular hydrogen bond. So that's why more important here salicylaldehyde. They will ask question, what is the product formed in Riemann-Tiemann? Main product is a salicylaldehyde, remember. Other product para, but main product is a salicylaldehyde. How you will get salicylaldehyde? In Riemann-Tiemann reaction, how salicylaldehyde is there? We'll see the mechanism. So first salicylaldehyde mechanism. In this case, first here chloroform is there. Chloroform like this, and here NaOH minus is there. First one here base. Here this is hydrogen is acidic. That's why H plus OH releases as water. You will get trichloromethyl carbanion. So this is highly stable. Reason Here this is empty d orbital. The lone pair donated to empty orbital. You will get here Cl, CCl, here Cl, here bond. After this here minus charge, this is called as a back pi bond. Actually here normal. Now here carbon acquire neutrality and chlorine more electronegative, atom negative. These all are stable. So whatever anion is formed, that is resonance stable. Okay na? After that, here what happened? One of the chlorine released. Here Na. Na is a Cl that forms as what? Here NaCl. Whenever chlorine release here positive charge, then you will get here dichlorocarbon. So dichlorocarbon is a electrophile, or we can say intermediate. So this is electrophile. Remember, dichlorocarbon, neutral electrophile. So before here, NEET question also. What is the electrophile here? Before here only. Here number of times sentence remaining all exams. Here dichlorocarbon neutral electrophile nana. Dichlorocarbon neutral electrophile. Okay na? Next case. Phenol. So phenol is there in base medium. Mechanism I am writing. Here reaction with NaOH na. Here we discuss this is base, here this is acidic. That's why first removal of water, you will get phenoxide anion. Whatever anion is formed, that is resonance stable. This electron migrated here. This is migrated here. Then our answer here, double bond O, here minus charge, here double bond. Again, this electron migrated here. This is migrated here. Okay. Then what is our answer here? Double bond O, a double bond here, minus charge here, double bond. Again, these electron migrated here. This is migrated. So carefully observe. Just I am writing resonating structures. The resonating structures here, double bond O.